Greetings and a very warm welcome to you all to Astro Times today. So, people, whoever they approach me for their horoscope reading, see one of the frequently asked questions. Every visitor, every seeker, whoever approaches me, there are some standard questions that without these questions they don't approach any astrologer. It is not only me, any astrologer in the world, whether it is can be Hyderabad, whether it is America or in any Iran or any other Australia, whoever they go to astrologer, they ask about their financial status. What horoscope is speaking about their financial status? In Vedic astrology, we call this financial status in astrological language, we call it as Dhana Yogas. Dhana Yogas. How to identify these Dhana Yogas from your natal chart? How to identify these Dhana Yogas from your natal chart? What planetary combinations may indicate? This is only an indication, not fructification of the event. Events will fructify only during their dasa and antardasas and supported by planetary transit at that particular time. These are only some planetary indications in your natal chart. What planetary positions in your natal chart may exactly indicate some Dhana Yogas or Yogas of wealth. Okay. Here, whenever I am saying Yogas for wealth, I am talking about only those Yogas which relate to ethical earning or righteous earning, righteousness, the money you work hard and you earn in a right way, righteous way. Dharma Jana. Let me speak about, if you put it in our local language, something like Sanskrit, it translates into Dharma Jana. Say maybe selling liquor or selling tobacco may be a legal earning, but it is not an ethical earning. It is unethical earning. It is unethical earning. What planetary combinations that I am going to speak about now, they are about your ethical earning or righteous earning, which means morning to evening you work hard in a right direction with the right purpose and right intention in your mind. It's not only earning, spending also must be for righteous purposes. What planetary combinations in your natal chart may exactly indicate some yogas for Dhana Yogas for righteous earning, righteousness, integrity, or ethical earning, or whatever name you want to give, you give. There is no exact correct translation for Dharma Jana. We cannot exactly translate this Dharma Jana into English. So that is why I am using so many words. Use your wish, whatever word you want to use, you use that word. I will give you some planetary combinations now. These planetary combinations, they indicate yogas of wealth. Okay? What are those yogas? For every yoga, whether it is a good yoga or a bad yoga, Lagna Lord. The disposition of Lagna and Lagna Lord is very crucial while assessing that how yoga fructifies. How yoga gives result. This yoga, Lagna and Lagna Lord, they play a very critical role, very crucial role. As long as this Lagna and Lagna Lord are not having any connection with Dusthana Lords or Dusthana houses, we can say Lagna and Lagna Lord are very strong. But usually we will not find this kind of horoscopes. Usually There may be 1 in a million horoscope we can find which like either Lagna Lord is not having any connection with say, the Sthana Lords. Okay, now I'll give you some combinations. What are those combinations? Your Lagna Lord is Mars, your ninth Lord is Jupiter, and your gains Lord is Saturn. Say Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, if they are posited in your fifth house. So fifth house indicates your speculative gains, speculation, not speculative gains, speculations. You will get some gains in this speculative business. Say something like share markets. Because I said, please don't go and apply this combination to your natal chart and lose money on the share market. Or whoever approaches me, 90% money, 90% they lost money in their share market irrespective of these combinations. These combinations are present in many charts. They invested money in share market, but they lost. Why they lost is a different story altogether. Okay? These combinations indicate your Lagna Lord, your ninth Lord, and your 11th Lord. If they are having any connection with fifth house. Alternatively, we can say fifth Lord. You can say you have some gains in this speculation business. If your Lagna Lord, fifth Lord, and fourth Lord are well disposed and having any connection with your 11th house, because fourth house indicates landed properties, you will have some gains in real estate business. Okay, because I said don't go and invest money in real, I am again and again telling, don't apply to these combinations to your natal chart and do something, act accordingly. Application must be done by a qualified astrologer. Okay, next, if your second lord or second house is having any connection with 12th house or 12th lord, you will have some gains in some foreign countries. In the same way, second lord and fourth lord with 11th lord, it will give you some landed property gains. So like that, there are so many combinations. These combinations are for Aries Lagna. These combinations are for Aries Lagna. I cannot fit all combinations for all the 12 Lagnas in just in one video. As and when I find time, I will do it for